Hi from the other side, it's ALISA here at Heritage Landing, here to give you a sneak peek of our brand new estate home listing here at Heritage Landing. It's right behind us. It's the Bougainvillea. So big, so beautiful, and did I mention it's the very first resale estate home here at Heritage Landing. This thing is brand new. It's ready to move in and enjoy for season. I'm not going to do the full tour today because I just wanted to give you a sneak peek, but you can come join us for our open house here Saturday and Sunday from 12 to 4 to learn more and see your personal tour. So here you can see it's this home right here. It is the very last lot on the street. So you've got this huge, ginormous side yard, nice side entry garage. Once we get inside, you're gonna love it, love, love, love. This is the most popular estate home floor plan because it has these huge soaring ceilings and a ginormous outdoor living space. So if you're looking for the best of the best and something that you can move in and enjoy for season, this is gonna be it. If you can't make it to the open house or you're just too excited to learn more, then please give me a call and we can schedule your own personal tour. And don't forget to always ask for ALISA because I got 3 little kids and they all need new shoes.